Well, hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, December 16th. It's the 6th day of our extreme December planting challenge. So come on, let's plant. Now you can see the water droplets inside the coal frame. We've got Swiss chard growing here from last year, and this mulched in pretty good around this. But we're just gonna open this up just a little bit. We're going to plant some more Swiss chard. And then we're going to mulch heavy around it. Oh, it's a little chilly. So you just pull that mulch back down to bare soil. We're going to do the root stout on this. We're going to just shake it out over the top. Then we're going to do some soil contact. My little buddy's going to help me. And that's all we got to do. This is still wet enough under here we don't have to add any water right now. And I'm just going to put this back down. That's all you have to do to plant. I'm going to bring in some leaves. We'll mulch heavy around this just like we did all the other new seeds. And this should be good. We should be good to go. Now let me get this plastic down. One of the good things about the deep mulch that should hold that. Hopefully over tonight the wind's supposed to die down and it's not supposed to be quite as cold tomorrow. We'll be able to open up the big coal frames and see what we have going on there. Come on. These smaller totes, we're just going to go ahead and leave since they got brand new seeds in. I want to keep as much warmth in there as we can until they get going. I sure appreciate you coming out on this frosty afternoon and helping me get some Swiss chard in the ground. We got 4 more days of this extreme planting. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think I'm going to plant tomorrow.
Come here. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Hi.
Oh, yes, you're a good boy. You come out and help me plant some Swiss chard today? Good boy. Oh, good boy. What do you do? What do you do? Good boy. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.